All right, so I am going to be introducing a tool. This is our dashboard by the A team, and this tool can be used in several different ways to assist government agencies and small businesses alike. So we're going to use this tool to identify historically underutilized business zones or hub zones, and it can also be used to identify past trends and possible future trends for small businesses to gain government contracts. So from the dashboard, we have a few different tables here. We have recipient name and the PID contract number, recipient name and award ID, total obligation by the awarding agency. Um, we have recipient name, total obligation, and PID number. The number of records per awarding agency, the count of records by recipient name and zip code, total obligation, and category. So we're going to use a few different filters to narrow down and select the information that we want to see. Uh, so first, if we just select a recipient name in this first table here, we can identify some further information about it. So we're able to see how many awards under which PID number identify with this recipient name. The awarding agency, so in this case, the Department of the Army is the awarding agency for Absolute Business Solutions. We're able to see the total obligation by the specific PID ID, the type of award, and the zip code. So in this case, it was zip code 20170, and the category was contract. And there are many different ways that we can filter this information. If we go ahead and just unselect that filter, we can also search by zip code in order to identify contracts or grants within a certain zip code. Okay. So here we have records and recipient names just within the zip code 22191. We could also search by state if we want to look within a certain geographic area. Go ahead and unselect all the results, and we'll just select North Carolina. And here we have results just in North Carolina. We can see the top 20 recipients in that state and the types of awards by recipient name. Now let's take a look at our hub zone data part of this dashboard. And here we have a few other selecting factors, mostly geographical, but we can see the hub zones by the city and zip code. We can look at the total obligation by city and zip code of awards. We have median household income by zip code, and also the qualifying factor of the hub zone by county. And this information right now is filtered to Virginia, but can be applied to any geographical area in order to identify these hub zone awards. So if we wanted to just select the zip code 24350, we can see that this award was qualified by unemployment. And if we wanted to look at our map of median household income as well, we can select any median household zip code and see that what the median household income was for that zip code. So small businesses can use this tool to identify future trends and awards by HubZone, and this information will also be used to identify fraud cases by companies that do not qualify for HubZone awards.